All right, let's start building up our skills as we're learning how to divide monomials. Soon we're going to learn how to divide monomials, binomials, and polynomials, which is our goal. So let's start with monomials here. The task that we deal with is when we divide, let's divide the coefficients first. So negative 12 divided by a 4 produces a negative 3. And then we look at the next variable in line, which in this case is an x. So how do I think about x to the 8th divided by x squared? We take this base and we subtract the exponents. There we divided our first monomials. Let's look at a couple of them. What do you think 2x cubed divided by 8x cubed would look like? Start with the coefficients first. 2 divided by an 8. Well, that makes it a 1/4, so I kind of simplified it in one level. X cubed divided by x cubed. Well, that's just a clever version of 1, so that just becomes a 1. So this reduces just down to 1/4. You don't really have to on this one think about x cubed divided by x cubed being x3 minus 3, which is equals x to the 0. Anything to the 0 equals 1. So this problem right here, the x cubed or the x cubed, they factor out. Then lastly, this one's got a lot of stuff right. So 15, x to the 5th, y to the 4th. Divided by, I hope a 3, yep, 3x squared, y. I'm going to write this one all the way out. So 15 divided by 3, coefficients, that's a 5. Times my next variable, which is an x. Subtract the exponent, so that's a 5, take away a 2. And then my next variable, which is a y, that's a 4, take away a 1. Clean that up. 5, x cubed, y to the cubed as well. How are you feeling? Feeling all right with this? You will with more practice, so please take as much practice as you need to make this feel comfortable.